I'm Jane Davidson. I'm Minister for Environment, Sustainability and Housing in Wales now. And I'm standing down at the next election. But I hope that people will ask politicians of all parties burning questions about the environment. We know that the environment is critically important to us. It's our life support system. If we don't look after it, then we don't look after ourselves. But it doesn't always come to the top of political agenda. So I very much want to endorse what WWF is doing in terms of encouraging members of the public to get fully involved in asking environmental questions of all parties. And particularly the idea that then people can vote on the winning questions, and the winning question and the star of that question will be able to talk to all the political parties to see how that question is going to be answered. Now, we've had all-party political support on sustainable development, we've had all-party political support on climate change, and I hope that both of these important agendas will continue to be properly supported by all parties in Wales. But if they're going to be, you need to help. You need to talk to all the political parties about what they can do to fundamentally deal with these big agendas for the future. So get on to it and do it.